Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to speak Spanish. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on App Store and in the search bar, search for Duolingo. Duolingo, guys, is one of the best application and speak Spanish easily. Okay, so let's install Duolingo. Then tap Gate and double click to install it. Well, after installing Duolingo, tap Open and tap Get Started. Tap Continue, Continue, and here select the language that you want to learn. So let's select Spanish and tap Continue. Select, for example, YouTube, then Continue. How much Spanish do you know? For example, I'm new to Spanish, then I'm select the first one, then Continue, and tap Continue. Why are you learning Spanish? For example, for just fun, to connect with people. Then Continue. And here select the goal. For example, if you want to learn 10 minutes per day, select 10 minutes per day, it's regular. And I'm committed. And tap Continue. Then tap Allow. Then tap Add Widget. Continue. Continue. And here start from scratch and continue. Then continue.
El hombre.
Perfect. Now select the correct image.
El hombre.
For example, el hombre.
El hombre. El hombre.
That's mean man.
El
The
hombre.
man. Check.
El niño. El niño.
El niño. That's mean the boy.
El niño.
El niño. El.
The boy.
La niña. La niña.
La niña.
La niña.
That's mean the girl.
La niña.
La mujer. La mujer.
La mujer.
La
That's mean
mujer.
the woman.
La mujer.
La niña. La.
La niña. That's mean the girl. Perfect. So this is how you can speak and learn Spanish. So thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.